Hey everyone, this is Gray here, and today in this garden harvest video what I wanted to do and what this video is going to consist of is basically us harvesting our garden over the last several weeks, anywhere from probably 3 to 4 weeks. Every time the missus comes out here and she grabs a few vegetables, I'll come out with my camera and chase her down and video some of the things that she's grabbing off the plants. Some of the baskets that she's filled when she does like some of the more major harvests, like on Sunday mornings or whatnot. So it's in a culmination of a bunch of different clips that I'm going to do, and the best way that I can kind of show you this and kind of make it somewhat of a relaxing, enjoyable video where you can kind of just sit back if you like gardening and kind of watch myself and the missus pick up some of the vegetables and things that we've been harvesting over the last several weeks. And I'll put some nice relaxing music behind it, and hopefully you enjoy this video and see how our spring garden has been going. And I know a lot of you folks out there have been dealing still with horrible weather and even some freezing temperatures in parts of the US, but here it's starting to wind down for our spring harvest. I'm starting to prepare for our summer harvest, believe it or not. And I got some fun stuff prepared for you. And some of the folks that are waiting for the update on the pole beans, we'll be doing that here this week or possibly next week. We'll see how that plays out and kind of give you an update on the Seminole pumpkins and all that fun stuff. And then we'll also be cleaning up the current spring garden and planting some other plants. And we got a lot more stuff to do, so hopefully you guys will stay tuned for that. Also, something I haven't really brought up yet real quick that I want to address is we have a new member of the family, and I'm going to show you him real quick. A lot of you folks who have been following me for quite some time know that we lost a member of the family, one of our pets. Her name was Roxy. She was basically a lab Great Dane mix. She'd been part of the family. She was very loved, and we miss her dearly. But we have a new member of the family that I want to introduce everybody to, and his name is Wyatt. Say hi to everyone, Wyatt. Yeah, it's the phone. Oh, come on. You're getting too close to me, buddy. You're getting too close to me. Say hi to the Gray community, Wyatt. Yeah. He's such a good dog. Very lovable, very beautiful. But yeah, you'll see lots of Wyatt here in the near future. All right, folks. So that's Wyatt, and you'll be seeing a lot more of him. I'm getting him acclimated to the woods, and getting him trained on how to do some fun stuff like hunting and hiking with me in the woods, and just being a nice companion with myself. And he is a yellow lab. He is a actual AKC registered. His lineage is very interesting. Maybe I'll discuss that more in a live stream or whatnot, but I've been searching long and hard for a pup for the family, and I finally found one, and we love Wyatt very dearly already. He is going to be 5 months this month. Yeah, he'll be 5 months here at the end of the month. So he's still definitely a puppy, still in his learning phase, but I want to get him accustomed to everything around us. Anyways, that's enough of me rambling. I hope you guys truly enjoy the video, and look forward to hearing some of your comments and whatnot in regards to the garden, or if you want to say hello to Wyatt or whatnot in the video as well. I'm pretty sure a lot of you folks, like I said, will see plenty of Wyatt in the near future. Other than that, remember folks, you are not alone. This is GreyMan. I'm out. I'll see you guys in the rebound, and God bless.